Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about a game-changing product that is going to revolutionize the way you do laundry, the Household 60W washing machine. This portable mini washing machine is perfect for business trips, travel, and even daily use at home. Let's talk about the features of this amazing device. First of all, it's completely portable and can be powered by a simple USB connection, making it incredibly convenient and easy to use. The mode of operation is mechanical, so there's no complicated setup or difficult controls to figure out. One of the best things about this mini washing machine is its size. With a diameter of just 9 centimeters, it's small enough to fit in your suitcase or even in a drawer at home. You can wash your socks, underwear, and other small items with ease, without the need for a large and cumbersome traditional washing machine. Not only is the Household 60W washing machine incredibly practical, but it's also eco-friendly. With its low power consumption at just 60W, you can save both energy and water by using this mini washing machine. Imagine never having to worry about finding a laundromat while you're traveling, or being able to do small loads of laundry without using a large and wasteful washing machine at home. This product is a game changer, and I can't recommend it enough. So, if you're ready to take the next step in improving your laundry routine and making your life easier, be sure to check out the link in the description to get your own Household 60W washing machine. Trust me, you won't regret it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more game-changing products and reviews. Thanks for watching.